How long are asphalt shingles expected to last? If your roof is starting to curl, streak, shed granules, or look tired, this is the question to ask before leaks show up. For most homes in Ridgefield, Connecticut, asphalt shingles are expected to last between 20 and 30 years. Basic 3-tab shingles usually wear out sooner, while architectural asphalt shingles tend to last longer because they are thicker, stronger, and built for better weather resistance. Here in Fairfield County, your roof takes a beating from snow, ice, humidity, wind, branches, and freeze-thaw cycles. That means your roof's lifespan depends on more than age. Installation quality, attic ventilation, flashing, underlayment, and skylight details all matter. If your shingles are curling, cracking, missing, or losing granules, your roof may be near the end of its useful life. Do not wait until water gets inside. Call Mighty Dog Roofing of Fairfield County to schedule a professional roof inspection and talk through your best next step.